Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix IDM don't have permission to download. Open the app that you can download from the link that we leave in the description of the video. Here, display the Help menu and click on Check for updates. Wait for the latest version. After this, right-click on the file you're going to download and choose the option to re-download or resume download. This will make the download successful. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.